In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page about section on your mobile. So to do this, you first need to head over to the Facebook application, and in the bottom right hand side, select your profile icon. Then click on the drop down arrow, and then just select the page that you want to be editing the about section of. Once you've selected your page, click back on the profile icon in the bottom right hand side, and at the top, just select the name of your page. This will take you over to your profile, and from here, we can just scroll down, click on edit public details, scroll down again until you see bio and click on edit, and then select edit bio. Now all you need to do is create a description for your business. You can see I already have this text inside of here for demonstration. Once you're happy with your changes, click on the save button in the top right hand side. And now if I come back over to my Facebook page, you can see right at the top we have this about section appear just under the name of the page. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.